Hey everyone, if you're getting the Fatal D3D Crash Error, an Unhandled Exception Occurred, or a re9.exe error in Resident Evil Requiem, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix it. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu. Type Device Manager and open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card. Select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Now wait for Windows to install the latest GPU driver available. Once it finishes, restart your PC and try launching the game again. Solution 2. If the game launches but crashes during gameplay, open Resident Evil Requiem. Go to Options. Open the Graphics tab. Click on Image. Scroll down and select Advanced Settings. Scroll down until you find Frame Generation. Disable Frame Generation. Go back to save the changes. Now test the game again. Solution 3. If you have an Nvidia graphics card, open the Start menu. Search for Nvidia app. Open it. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. Install the latest available driver. After the installation is complete, restart your PC. These fixes should resolve the Fatal D3D Crash, Unhandled Exception, or re9.exe error in Resident Evil Requiem. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.